Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video session, we have seen the concept of digital marketing research. Also, the steps applied for the execution of digital marketing research are also seen. In this video session, we are going to discuss the different methods used for digital marketing research. So let's start. We know that digital marketing research is a systematic process in which study of particular data or particular digital marketing platform is undertaken by the researcher, or the solution of problem arriving during the execution of digital marketing are find out, or a strong strategy for digital marketing is adopted with the use of research. Any type of research, whether it is digital marketing research or plain marketing research, the information plays vital role, because on the basis of information used for the use in the research procedure defines the solution, the interpretation and everything about the research. So this information is collected with the use of different type of data from different sources. So we can say that the type of data or the sources from which the data has been collected plays important role in the procedure of digital marketing research. So this data or the sources from where the data has been collected defines the method of the research. In case of digital marketing, depending upon the sources of data, these 5 types of methods or 5 different methods of digital marketing research are observed. The first method is online survey. Survey is a simple or a concise questionnaire given to the respondents in order to know their point of view or to get the answer of the desired question. Here in digital marketing research, online type of survey is executed by the researcher, where the questions are asked on various digital platforms. You might have observed that while closing particular window or a particular digital platform, you get the series of questions or one or two questions. That question is nothing but the questionnaire used for the purpose of online survey. Also, while withdrawing cash from the ATM machine, you might have observed that at the end of transaction, machine asks question like are you interested in so and so scheme, or want to take loan from this bank, and then you answer yes or no, and after that you get the receipt of your transaction. So that is also one of the form of online survey. So using the online survey method, researcher collect the required data from the customers and bifurcate and convert it into a important information. The next method is mail survey. It is also similar to online survey, but here researchers send questionnaire in the form of email to the customer. It is very easy procedure, and a small businessman who is new in the market, in the digital marketing world, can use this email survey method because it is very less costly. In mail survey, it is observed that the number of responses is very less, means it is near about 7% to 15%, but still it is useful for small businessmen for executing or for performing digital marketing research. The next type or the next method of digital marketing research is online observation. Observation is the phenomena or is the process of moderating or monitoring the behavior of consumers on various platforms or in various stores. Here we are talking about digital marketing, so we can consider that here the researcher observes the behavior of customers on online platform. With the use of cookies and all, he determines what are the needs and wants, what are the choices of the customers. Also, on the basis of this online observation, researcher analyze that what's the response of customers on particular brand or related to particular brand, particular product or particular service. So in online observation, the complete observation is made by the researcher to take the information required for the completion of research or finding the solution of problems for which the research has been undertaken. The next method is online focus group. Focus group is a group of 7 to 10 participants where a question is thrown to the group and let them discuss on that. Here the overall focus group is the process of focus group discussion is carried out on online platform where the whole discussion is monitored by a moderator who asks question to the participants of group and let them answer and let them discuss on that particular question or topic. So in online focus group, majorly the experts of particular field are involved and they are considered as the representative of a group of customers. It is very easy procedure. The next one is online panel. Under this method, the panel consists the actual customer of particular service or product. They involve in this procedure of digital marketing research by their own will. So it is considered a very cheap procedure because if we compare this online panel with offline panel, then offline panel is costlier because all the experts participate in this in that panel of research, whereas in case of online panel, the participants or the actual customers of product and services participate and share their views regarding service or product. So these are the different methods of digital marketing research on the basis of which researcher collect the primary data to complete his research or to find the solution of particular question or to study particular digital marketing platform. I hope you understand this each and every method of digital marketing research. So this is all about the methods of digital marketing research. In the next video lecture, we are going to see one more interesting topic related to digital marketing research. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.